add up to everyone's excitement and anticipation for their first primetime teleserye. We have James Reid and Nadine Lustre for On the Wings of Love.
Favorite kong expression?
Achieve! Ikaw na. Diyos ko, Lord!
Push!
Excited and nervous.
Yes.
Kasi ito po yung pinakauna naming full-length na teleserye. Plus, this is such a big, big project na
Huge
parang
production.
Huge production. Tapos first time po namin and sa primetime bida po kagad. So we're really grateful.
James and Nadine flew to US to shoot scenes for the teleserye. And there they enjoyed and discovered more about each other.
Ano yung mga naging bonding niya sa Amerika habang sinishoot ko?
Music. Listen to music a lot there. Like sightseeing while working. No, ako, pinaka-favorite ko po talaga yung sa Top Down. We were driving lang. It was for a scene. But then kami lang po kasi yung nasa kotse.
Sa akin yung Napa Valley. We're acting together in the scene where we're just running around, we're having fun. It didn't feel like we're acting.
Even before On the Wings of Love airs, Jadine is being pitted yet again with Katniel, especially with their teleseries placed right after each other.
Just a back-to-back show. Yeah, it's overwhelming. It is because it's Katniel, and we're so happy to be part of it. It's good. It's healthy competition.
Yeah, same as a healthy competition naman po. And I don't think na pinagtatapat din naman po kasi we're in the same house eh. In the same room. Parehas ng Time's Out Halos, Primetime Bida, parehas na ABS-CBN. So I think it's good na parang na dun po kami sa slot na yun nilagay. Tulungan po siya yun. That's the right word. Tulungan po siya.
Facing, with Nadine being linked to Brett Jackson, who is a close friend of James. What does James have to say about this?
Ano ba?
Yeah, Brett's my best friend, and there's nothing going on.
Where that came
Don't know where that came from. That was a shock to me.
Actually, siya po yung nagpakita sa akin. Sabi ko, sa galing yan. Pero sabi ko, no.
I would know.
No.
No. Well, best friend ko naman yung naling sa kanya, so okay lang. Brett and Nadine? Why not? Me? I don't know. He's my best friend. He's a good guy. Nadine's a good girl, so it's not. I don't know. It's not my position to say. It is just weird though. It's weird for us. Awkward. Super awkward.
Lastly, on reports that they were allegedly unappreciative of their fans' gifts for them, James denies all these allegations.
I'm not gonna name any names, but it wasn't my fault. If you look in my room, I keep lahat ng mga stuffed toys, lahat ng gifts, lahat ng portraits, everything. I keep. So I think that was just the one instance, you know. Of course, I love them very much.
Nadine and James say that they owe everything to their ever-supportive and loyal fans.
Ayan, On the Wings of Love, ngayong August 10 na po yun. So Monday sa Primetime Bida, after pangako sa'yo. Ayan.
I miss it.
And that is it for our show. I would like to thank